Heartbreaking, 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 guys. Tonight we are finding out who's going home, and we're also listening to the guys' singles. I'm expecting a lot of fire, Mr. Music, Zama, and Brandon all competing to go to the finale. We are finding out tonight, but hey, I have an idea. Yo guys, Idols is back and I'm so scared. I don't know who's gonna go home. I'm actually nervous right now, but hey, what an opening. Makadzi. Makadzi. This girl, the performance, guys, I don't know. For me, I felt like she was actually already competing for the performer of the night. Makadzi. She doesn't care. She doesn't give a damn. Yo, it's that girl is made for the stage. Well done, Makadzi. I enjoyed that performance. Yo, but guys, what's happening? What is Idols doing to us? Because having Makadzi on stage, having Moonchild on stage, is like having Brenda Fassie on the other side where Makadzi is, and also having Lebo Mathosa on the other side of Moonchild and bringing back to life like this. This is amazing, guys. Moonchild for me, I'm like, I can't. I just can't. It's so exciting to watch her on stage. She does not care. Actually, both of them don't care. Don't give a do. Yo, Mr. Music single, guys. Did you hear it? Did you love it? I loved it. Yo, well, I tried streaming it already, but it looks like my streaming services right now is down. I can't hear it again. But it's a song that will resonate with so many people. Weddings, love. For me, I just felt like it's a song I could be playing at the background by 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. in the morning. If you know what I'm talking about. Yo, Zama's song, guys, Zama's single. For me, it felt like it was an angel singing to us, telling us that one day we're also going to receive that calling. And it makes a lot of sense for Zama to be making this kind of music because it's so her. I mean, she's a pastor's kid after all. So wow, why not give it to her? Great single, guys. I'm so jealous for these guys. Brandon. This guy just reminded me why he's here. Like, wow, what a single, what a song, what a great performance, guys. Give it up for Brandon. I feel like, this competition right now, I feel like I don't know what's gonna happen because Mr. Music did very well. Zama did very, very well. Brandon did very, very well as well. Whoa, what just happened? Brandon is gone. But guys, I called it. But hey, congratulations to Mr. Music and Zama. These guys deserve everything. Going into the finale is not a joke, guys. So even Brandon himself worked very hard. But hey, 2 people have to go to the finale. There you have it. Is Mr. Music and Zama in the finale. And I called it. I'm not proud of it, but that's what I saw. That Brandon is gonna go home, and there he went home. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be tough. This is going to be a tough finale. I'm gonna tell you who's gonna go win it next. So please stay tuned to Kanalo Gingirikani. This is heartbreaking, guys. Heartbreaking, guys. Please don't go away because I'm coming back with the rest of analysis. Stay tuned. I'm testing Totora. Salute. Mengatiti man.